Hi and welcome to my channel. As you probably guessed from the title of this video, this is my current eyebrow routine, I guess is the way to put it. So stay tuned if you're interested. Personally, I think that eyebrows completely make your face. Like, I can't leave the house without my eyebrows, and just when I was looking at my face with one eyebrow, like, it just felt so weird. But yeah, all the stuff that I use are going to be in the description box if you want to know where to get it from or just what it is. And please like, subscribe, and pop anything in the comments in terms of videos that you want me to do. Thanks, bye.